Hello and welcome back. I just wanted to jump in really quickly here. Before you get bogged down into all the different modules and lessons, I wanted to give you a quick win. The benefit of a quick win is that it'll help you have a quick result and actually get excited about this course. Now I've got a 5-step process that I want to share with you. Clean the lens is the first one, and I'll go into more. Each of these steps I'm going to go into a lot more detail, but basically clean the lens, check your lens, make sure there's nothing on there. Number 2 is stabilize your camera, whether that's using a tripod, stabilizing yourself, so stabilizing it to remove that camera shake. Number 3 is light. Make sure that you have enough light. If you can, add extra light, go outside, try and bring in as much light as you can because that will speed up your camera. Focus. Sometimes, and I'll show you how our cameras get tricked with autofocus. If that's the case, or you're doing really extreme close-up macros, manual focus every time because you'll have your tripod set up and you have it's not impractical to use manual focus. I'm going to show you some really cool tricks on how to use manual focus. Lastly is editing, and probably half of this course is all going to be on editing because I want you to get the most transformation out of your existing photos as well. Not just those where from now on you're going to focus on clean the lens, stabilize, lighting, focus. All those images that you've taken already, I want you to be able to go back and edit those. So I spent a lot of time in there. So basically that's it. Clean your lens, stabilize, light, focus, editing, and 5-step process, quick win. And I look forward to talking to you in the comments and in the group as well.